This video we are going to install Oracle database on Oracle Linux like Oracle Linux 9.5 because that is the pre-installed package are not available in Oracle 10, so that's why I chose Oracle 9.5. And if you open this page Oracle database, so you have like a lot of options are there. It is like window platform available, and if you come down you can see the RPM also available for Oracle Linux 9, but it's not available for Oracle Linux 10. Okay, so click on this link to download. You can see one RPM link is showing. Okay, so you can download this file first. So I already downloaded this RPM file to my Linux, that is Oracle Linux 9. So you can see here I already downloaded this database RPM file, and the size is around 1.4 GB, I think. Yeah, 1.54 GB. So we can go ahead to install this Oracle database. So first thing is that we need to install the necessary packages. So Oracle makes it easy using this one, dnf install. If you install this package itself, it will install all the dependency like what are the necessary packages required for the Oracle installation, along with user creation, group creation. Everything will be created by this package. Okay, RPM. So first thing is that you need to check whether this RPM is available in your operating system or not. You can search by using this dnf search Oracle, then grep pre-install something. Okay, it will show you like what are the pre-install packages are available. You can see here the pre-installation package for 19c, I mean database 19c is available, also 23 AI also available. Okay, so we can go with the second one, that is the 23 AI. Okay, so you can go ahead to install this one, package install, I mean dnf, then you can copy this one. It will take a couple of seconds, I think. Download size, you can see here total download size is like 4.8 MB, I think. Install this one. Total package is around 15 packages. These are the dependent packages. Okay, I think we're getting some errors. Let me check this one. So now it is installing this package. Due to some internet connection, it is not working. So now it is installing this packages. So now it is installing those packages. It's completed. Yeah, all the package installation completed. Then we can go ahead for this database configuration. To configure the database, so basically we use this command in etc init.d. It is available. Let me clear this screen. And basically it will also create the Oracle user when we install that RPM. No such file. Let me check this one. Yeah, so we did one mistake, like once we install that pre-install packages, first before executing this configure, we need to install the RPM package, that is 23 database RPM, which we have downloaded. In this page you can see that package we forget to install. So So to install that package, you can see here we can use this dnf install -y, then the same packages. Let me show you that package. ls this package we need to, this is the database package. Okay, dnf install -y, yeah, then the package name. Let me check this one. Yeah, Pluggable. So you can see the package size is around 1.4 GB, and it will take almost 3.6 GB disk space. So make sure you have like 4 GB disk space free. Yeah, so it is this database installation completed. Now we can configure this database. Now hopefully this one is available. Yeah, it will ask for the sys or system or pdadmin account password, so we can put some password. We can confirm this password. Now it is going to configure the Oracle listener, and it will create one database. That database name is free. Almost 7% completed. Now you can see it is completed. You can see 100% complete, and it is created the database under this directory opt oracle, and you can see the database name is like free. So global database name this one. Yeah, so now we can go ahead to log into this database. Okay, let me configure this oracle user bus profile. So for that, issue hyphen oracle. We can check this file, configuration file, vi.bash underscore profile, and here you need to configure this oracle home. This file you can configure by your database name and oracle base and home directory and the path. You can set all this thing here. Make sure this file should exist. Let me double check this file. Yeah, this file is created. So after that we need to run the script so that in env you can check whether all this variable are set or not. Oracle base, Oracle home, yeah, all these things set. And you can access your database using this command sqlplus root or sysdba. Now you can see it is connecting to the your database instance. Now we can go ahead to check all these SQL related commands. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about this container database and the pluggable database, that is PDB and CDB. Okay. Thank you.